What is CIP? Simply, CIP refers to cleaning in place. In essence, milking equipment CIP describes the cleaning of the interior surfaces of assembled equipment, such as parlours, robots and bulk tanks in situ. Demands on processors to meet specific contractual requirements to supply his customer inevitably puts downward pressure on the farmer to ensure his milk meets similar criteria. As a result of more stringent milk contracts, farmers are being challenged to produce milk to exacting standards with no scope for errors. Meeting the demands of a milk contract relies heavily on two key Diversey hygiene practices. Firstly, the use of a Deosan pre-milking teat disinfectant to ensure cows' teats are clean before milking. And secondly, and more importantly, the delivery of an efficient milking equipment cleaning regime with Deosan detergent, descale and disinfectant products. Failing to make the correct chemical choice can lead to traces of chemical left in the plant and the formation of deposits on milk contact surfaces, which in turn can readily support bacterial growth, cause equipment components to deteriorate or fail, encourage issues such as clinical mastitis or rising cell counts, and impact on revenue streams. A perfect wash should deliver an accurate chemical-dosed solution at the optimum temperature, under the correct turbulence, and for a set period of time. Diversey understands the complexity of cleaning on-farm milking equipment and how the perfect CIP wash routine, where all contributing factors within the wash are in harmony with each other, are seldom fully achieved. This makes the chemical choice even more important to ensure it is fit to deal with the available resources and conditions on each farm and deliver a superior clean. Diversey's specialist routines and product combinations ensure there is an appropriate cleaning product choice for every situation. Delivering cleaning capabilities for every parlour, robot and automatic wash system that can cope with individual farm conditions, resources and budget, to ensure processor requirements and contract specifications are met, and that we continue our support of the safest, highest value milk production. The foundation of our products is based on both our unrivaled experience of cleaning in place across the entire food chain and over 75 years involved with cleaning milking equipment on farm. We believe that CIP should not simply be looked upon as a way to flush away milk soiling after milking, but more importantly, is carried out to ensure surfaces are prepared properly and thoroughly in readiness for the next. An effective Diversey CIP chemical routine not only delivers clean milk contact surfaces to ensure bacteria counts are low, but also, and often overlooked, ensures the equipment functions effectively and there is no carryover of pathogens from one milking to the next. This provides an essential element to a mastitis control program. Contact your Diversey representative for more information.